Hello and welcome my friend, and then I am planning to show you that how you can use this your Toyota cars, these remote keys, spare key, and there is really metallic key in their inside in here, and I have to only press this area in here, that's trigger, and then pull out, and in here we have this steel key what we can use anytime to open this door in that way. We install that in position, and let's go to look closer. Okay, and Toyota really includes, even in still today's, this steel key what we can carry, and using that key we can close door, we can listen and open, close and open, and in this way it is open. And then if I like to remove, and this is the key what don't need battery. If you are really environment person, you should use only this key, but of course you need to use that key in your pocket, because this is smart key and it sends wireless network to our Toyota car, and this key must be always in your pocket when you are driving Toyota cars. But in that one you can carry in your key this pocket and key ring, and if you lost that key you can order new key from Toyota dealership center. They have code, this is specific code, we can see it is shaped to your every car, but it is number based, and Toyota can produce new key to you when you visit in Toyota dealership center in any way in world. Okay, and final part is to install this key back, and it goes only one way, and then press in this way, and there is the small trigger what I can press down, there is arrow, and then I can remove that key in that way. Good, very nice device.